Marcos for releasing from his contingent fund 125 million plus 70 million for other expenses, pero yung 125 for confidential fund. Sinasabi ng mga experts, including former Senate President Drilon, that is unconstitutional. You can refer to the interview of Drilon and sino din sa ABS? No, the other one. Karen Davila. Sinasabi ni Drilon, what Marcos did was unconstitutional kasi naglipat siya ng item, ng pera from the contingent to confidential fund. Wala namang item in the general appropriation. Bawal po lang mag-ubent according to the Constitution. It's a violation of law to transfer funds when there is no item. You cannot augment unless savings. Ang contingent fund is not savings. Only savings can be used by the President. So, Marcos has violated. Bago nyo sampahan si Sara, si Marcos muna ang sinampahan namin. Kasi siya ang source ng pera na ginastos ni Sara Duterte.